Hi, this is Jeff Georganis, and I want to tell you how to change the rollers in Otto Frei's Blue Economy rolling mill. You can also follow these same instructions for Otto Frei's Silver Economy rolling mill, as the rollers are interchangeable. Either of these mills could be a great choice for a beginner, as they are extremely affordable. But these mills have a lot of value for a seasoned professional as well, because of a large variety of replaceable texture rollers. These texture rollers don't cost very much, and they're very easy to switch out. If you're somebody like me who uses a lot of texture in your work, especially roller printing, this could be a total game changer. You can consistently and easily add texture to sheets of silver, brass, and copper, or even gold or platinum. Okay, let me show you how easy the rollers are to replace. First, remove the gear cap that's held in place with two straight slotted screws. Then you remove the 4 bolts that attach the top mechanism to the main mill body. These bolts use a 13mm socket or a 13mm wrench. Next, you carefully lift off the top mechanism and set it aside. Now you remove the 13mm bolt that holds the side gear in place. Carefully remove the top roller mechanism out of the mill frame. Now slide off all the parts from the roller and put them aside. Make sure that you don't lose the gear lock plug. Pick whatever new texture roller you want to install. Now you just reverse the process and put everything together oppositely of how you took it apart. It's pretty simple, and the more you do it, the faster it will go. The only part that can sometimes be a little complicated is you have to line up these 4 springs on the bottom roller mechanism with these 4 holes on the top roller mechanism. Truthfully, it's not that hard, but let's say, heaven forbid, that you somehow damage the springs. Otto Frei stocks a complete inventory of replacement parts if you ever need them. At this point, you're almost done. Move the top mechanism into position and reattach it with the 4 13mm bolts. Ensure those bolts are tight before you move on to the next step. Reattach the side gear cover with the 2 slotted screws and you're done. See? That wasn't hard at all. If you're a metal texture junkie like me, then this is a tool that you should try out. It really is kind of unbelievable how many different replacement texture roller choices are available for such bargain prices. These economy mills are sold with owner's manuals, which includes a parts list. All the parts, including a huge selection of pattern mills, can be found at ottofrei.com. Watch out for other Otto Frei tech tip videos coming your way soon. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button below, and if you'd like to subscribe, hit that button as well. Have an absolutely fantastic day.